Alright, number 5, we want to find the equation for the oblique asymptote. And so remember, you only have an oblique when the degree of the top is exactly 1 higher than the one on the bottom. So we have a square, which is a 2, and then we have a 1 on the bottom. So whenever that happens, the top is greater than the bottom. You don't have a horizontal, but you do pick up the oblique. And the way you find the oblique is you just do long division and you ignore the remainder. So we got a negative 3x minus 8. And then we're going to do long division. Divide that into the 12x squared plus 8x minus 4. Alright. This we want to make the same as this. So in order to get negative 3 to be the same as 12, we need to multiply by negative 4. So that'll get the numbers together. And then I have 1x. I need 2 of them, so I just need 1 more. So negative 4x. Alright, so then we're going to multiply this by everything and then subtract. So negative 4x times negative 3x will give us a positive 12x squared. Negative 4x times negative 8 will give you a positive 32x. Alright, then you change the sign, you subtract. So they were both positive, now they're going to become negative. And then that will always work out. If you make them the same, that should go to 0. This gives us a negative 24x, and then you bring down the next term. And then you repeat. So you want this first term to be the same as this. Well, they're both negative, but I have a 3, I need it to be 24. So 3 times positive 8 will give me 24. I have 1x. I need 1x, so we're good to go. So just times 8. 8 times negative 3x will give me a negative 24x. 8 times negative 8 will give me a negative 64. Then you change the sign, so you're going to change both of them to positive. You always do that. That's the same as subtracting. It goes to 0. This goes to positive 60, but it doesn't matter. Here is your oblique asymptote up here. And you just write y equals, always a linear equation, always will be y equals some linear form. So oblique asymptote here, pull it down a little bit, y equals negative 4x plus 8. And then hit enter. And then this one we have 2 parts. Step 1, we're going to find the equation of the vertical asymptote. So again, that's just what makes the denominator 0. Okay, I'm not going to write the whole problem, I'm just going to focus on the vertical asymptote. So that is x minus 6 equals 0. We're going to add 6, and it's going to give me x equals 6. So that will be our vertical asymptote, x equals 6. Alright, and then part 2 says find the equation of the horizontal asymptote. Okay, so remember those 3 scenarios. Is the top greater than the bottom? There is none. If the top is less than the bottom, then it is 0. So in this case, we just get y equals 0. And you just need to refer back to those notes that we did, and then that'll make that go pretty quick for you.